Assalamu alaikum and I welcome you all to Mashal Tariq Knowledge Venture channel. Today we will learn about what is percentage. In our daily life, we have come across two very common examples related to the concept of percentage. One, in case when we see a sale has started somewhere and it's stated as that up to 50%, up to 70%, and up to 20%. And the second very common example that we got a result as our grading in the form of a percentage, 20% marks, 50% result. So people got very confused with the sign of the percentage, but it is very simple concept. So let's start. Basically, what do you mean by the word percent? Per means every and a cent means 100. So percentage describe, for example, if I say 2%, so it describe for every 100. 2 is described for every 100. So how you will represent it? We will represent it with a slant line and a two tiny circle above and below. Now let's start. Let's take an example of this whole figure which I have divided into 100 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if I shade some of its area, let's say, so how will you write it in a percentage form? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write that 9 upon 100 or 9 over 100. And how will you say it in a percentage form? We will say that 9% of this total figure is shaded. 9% of this total figure is shaded. Now let's add some more area and start counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it means 30 out of 100 parts. But you can do it by simple method also. How many? Over here we are having parts 10. Over here, how many rows? Over here we have 10 columns and over here 3 are shaded. So simply I can multiply 3 into 10 and I can take directly 30 also. So okay, there is a direct method also to write it down. So 30 upon 100. Out of 100 parts, 30 are shaded, and if you need to write it into percent form, so we will write as a 30% is shaded. 30% is shaded. Percentage is also used to compare any two quantities. For example, there are two students. First student got marks in any of the test. For example, he got 5 over 10 marks or 5 out of 10 marks, and second student got 7 out of 10 marks. So how will we write 7 upon 10? Now it is required to represent these fraction into percent form. So how we will do it? I told you that we need to convert it into 100 parts, and 100 parts are not over there. So what we will do? We will just multiply the denominator with the 10 and numerator with the 10. Now we are having 50 upon 100, and we will say that first student got 50% marks in a test. Okay, now second student, we will do the same with the second student marks also, multiplying and dividing with 10, and what we will have? We will have 70 upon 100, and he got 70% marks.